This?
Hello guys, baby Yanji is eating orange. This one guys, our orange is very small. This is
If you put like this, it's too big.
yeah, very small, but it's too sweet.
I like it. It's sweet, this one.
Yeah, we are eating orange family after breakfast. This is our dessert. Daddy eating orange.
Sweet.
That small orange.
Ate Sia.
This one is sweet.
And baby Yanji. Very sweet.
Look at how tiny it is. Very small but sweet. Rich of vitamins.
Very small and very sweet, guys.
Didn't you like it? Look at that.
Yeah.
His face reaction is not changed.
Very sweet. That's it, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.